Hey, it's Annie with your latest tech update. Video calls are convenient, but not always the most exciting way to spend your time. And maybe you don't like being on camera. Microsoft's latest Teams update solves both these problems with animated versions of yourself. They're called Mesh Avatars and are designed to take your meetings into the metaverse. You can customize your physical appearance, add accessories, and choose from reaction gestures. Better still, you don't need an expensive headset to use them. You just download the Avatars app in the Microsoft Teams App Store. Big tech's investing billions developing the metaverse right now. This 3D virtual space will mimic huge aspects of the real world, with shops, meeting places, and workspaces. In time, it's set to become the new internet. These avatars are a great first step into the new style of virtual space. Right now, they're available in preview, but we're expecting news of a more general release soon. Want to find more ways to make work more fun for your team? We can help. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.